Yep.
It was somewhere on the wall, by the way. In 1968, Sugihara was met by Israeli diplomat Yeshua Nishri, who was saved by Sugihara. And when Sugihara was invited to come to Israel, and in 1969, Sugihara came to Israel with his youngest son, Nobuki Sugihara, who is today the only one son who is still alive, and he lives in Antwerp, in Belgium. And very difficult when Sugihara was asked by Israeli government what does he want for his deeds. He didn't ask for money, pension, or some house or something. He said, what I feel, what I am too old to give good education to my youngest son. And his youngest son, Nobuki Sugihara, got a full scholarship to study at Jerusalem Hebrew University, and he was studying management. And today he lives in Antwerp, as I told you.